Have you ever seen a bird's nest that you can actually eat? This is my crispy paneer and potatoes bird nest. It's 100% vegetarian, incredibly crunchy, and I promise it will be the most talked about dish at your next party. We start by mashing the boiled potatoes. To wake up the flavors, we are adding salt, a kick of chili powder, fresh onions, and a handful of dried coriander. A touch of ginger garlic paste, followed with freshly grated paneer. This gives us rich, melt in your mouth center. Next, make a quick slurry with maida and corn flour. Take a small amount of mixture and shape it like a ball to act like the base nest. To get that realistic twig look, roll them in crushed vermicelli. This is what gives it that mind-blowing crunch. Quick hack: pop this in freezer for 10 minutes. It helps them hold their shape perfectly in the oil. While those chill, let's make the eggs. We are kneading the crumbled paneer with salt, pepper and punch of chaat masala until it's soft like dough. Roll them into tiny smooth pearls. Look how adorable these are. Time for the sizzle. Fry the paneer eggs first and then the nest. Keep the heat on medium. We are chasing a glowy golden, not a burnt brown. Now the assembly: a dollop of spicy chili garlic in the center, nestle your paneer eggs on the top, and a sprig of coriander for the finish. Seriously, how cute is that?
Like, share and subscribe for such innovative recipes.